Hi there, my name is Steve Brown. I'm a lawyer in Rochester, New Hampshire. I've been practicing over 25 years, and my firm does many areas, including DWI, criminal defense, workers' compensation, automobile injury, products liability, family and divorce law, estate planning, and a host of other civil litigation that we may or may not cover if you need us. We generally get nice results in criminal cases. From that standpoint, I mean, we were able to make a difference in what the original charges might have been, or what the sentence might have been, or whether or not you ended up with jail or major fines or a conviction that you couldn't afford for purposes of your employment. We've also successfully brought many plaintiffs' claims in accident cases, workers' compensation. We've allowed you to get your benefits and the damages that you deserve after being recklessly harmed or negligently harmed by someone else, and basically had a major loss of income or your personal health. Most of what we get in, and again, it's just percentage-wise, it would probably be on the injury, automobile injury, a slip and fall case, maybe a products case, a couple of medical malpractices once in a while. Then we have criminal defense. We do a lot of that, DWI, workman's compensation, and family law and divorce. Well, as far as I'm concerned, the test is being subjectively evaluated by police officers just one-on-one. And I'm sure that most people are nervous to begin with. Then it depends if it's late at night, is it cold, is it raining, what have you been doing all day. It's just generally not a good idea to subject yourself to field sobriety tests because you could end up flunking them. The other issue is that how much have you had to drink? Do you know what impairment level is going to be? Because one of the things that most people don't understand is that it's not whether or not you're drunk, it's whether or not you're impaired. And impaired means in New Hampshire, impaired to any degree. So that's a judgment call on behalf of the court. So generally, if you don't participate in the field sobriety test, and there's no requirement that you do, you're not giving any evidence against yourself. As far as taking the test, again, if your ability to say, listen, I've had one or two or three, or it depends on over the period of time that you've had them, maybe you're going to be okay. But if you're not sure, it's probably not a good idea, because if it comes up above a .08, there's a presumption of impairment, and it makes your case a little bit more difficult to defend for sure. The most important one is not to go in with a negative attitude that that everything is ended, that the outcome is already fait accompli. Know that there's always hope for a resolution that you can live with. So that usually comes though with the expense, unfortunately, of a lawyer. But in many instances, it's well worth the time and the money to invest in a lawyer that does the type of law that you're involved with, and that has a reputation for obtaining results or making a difference in what the charges originally were and what they might end up being.